So here we go, guys, back to the beach. On the steps here. There's my son flying his kite there in the sky. Can you see him? Can you see him? He's just got the kite somewhere up there. There his kite is, yeah. Okay. Sun's come out. It's been very cloudy today though. It's a bit on the chilly side as well. Yeah. Sea looks quite nice today, doesn't it? It looks quite nice. It looks very blue out there in the middle, you see? Yeah. Go down. So here we go, back at the lovely beach. Going home tomorrow, so this is our last day. My son's got his kite up in the sky somewhere above my head. I hope you can see it. I can't really see it if I've got it in camera or not. Can't see, but yes, the lovely sea.
Did you even get the kite?
My lovely Carlos. I don't think I can get it because of the sun. It keeps blocking it out. Let me see if I can do it again. Hang on. I can't see, Carl. Can you see it?
Yeah. It's coming down. It's tumbling down.
Hang on.
Okay,
At least it's up today. Yesterday it wasn't windy at all, so he couldn't get it up in the sky.
Yeah.
So sorry guys, I'm just mucking around with the zoom.
I'm bringing it lower.
There, yeah, I see it now. Yeah, he's had great fun with the kite. For those of you who have boys, just get a kite, go to the beach on a windy day, and they'll be having great fun for hours. Yeah, it's great fun. Really entertains them for hours on end. Yes, beautiful sea, guys. I'm trying to not get in the shade here. Someone wrote on my video, I can't remember who, but someone said, just listen to that sound and it will take all your worries and stresses away. And that's really true. If you and worry and stress. And in fact, I had a swim yesterday in the sea, and it really helped my joints actually. It really did. You know.
And then you got bit.
Bit? I didn't get bit.
Yeah. After that, you got
At
bit by
home,
mosquitoes.
yeah, at home, at the lodge. We have a bit of a problem with mosquitoes in the lodge at the moment, guys. So, yes. It's beautiful though. Really nice. Gonna go and dip my feet in, I think.
I might do a airplane takeoff again. Come on.
Huh?
I'm not doing airplane takeoff.
Yes, the first initial shock of putting your toes in the English sea is difficult, I tell you guys. It's not warm at all. Yesterday it was a lot warmer. Oh. standing just up to my ankles in this sea at the moment. Oh, freezing. Well, it's not freezing, but it's not warm, let's put it that way. Here I am. Can you see me, guys? Yeah. Very cold, very cold. But you kind of get used to it over time, you know, in a strange sort of way. But yeah, yesterday I actually went swimming in this, and that was an experience for sure. But yeah, I do love the beach, and I do love the sea as well. Waves are very choppy today, as you can see. Be careful, Sita. She's desperate to get in there. I have got their swimsuits, but I didn't feel like it was warm enough today for them to go actually swimming. So I said to them, just paddle, you know, just go into your ankles sort of thing. It is a bit choppy today, these waves. Oh, it's a bit cold as well, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's not warm at all. But it's one of those that you definitely have to get your temperature slowly adjusted to. I think unless you're in a really hot country, the sea is always going to be just a bit cold. And those clouds don't help, because as you can see, we've got a lot of clouds in the sky today, a lot. So, beach isn't that busy today either. So yeah. Just got my feeties in. There's a horrible foot. I hate feet, guys. I'm not going to start showing you my feet because I hate them. I think feet are the most ugliest part of the body. And Rio can't stand them either. So yeah. Lovely. But as you can see, the sea, it's not very clear, you know. Can't really see. It's like, you can see the sand and stones. That's about it, really. Actually, I did find a little crab, you know, a baby crab, when I was making sandcastles with the kiddies, digging the sand, and a little crab appeared, tiny little one. Yeah. Oh gosh, it's cold. It is cold. Oh dear. And then it's even colder when you get out, for sure. Evening time now of our last night, very sad times, and I thought I would film this gorgeous little lighthouse lamp that is in the middle of the caravan site that we're staying in, and it glows up in the middle. It's just so cute, and I think there's a great big ship anchor behind it as well. But yeah, it's always on every evening, and it's just so sweet. I just had to film it for yourselves. And then this is the beautiful beach in the early evening. I have to excuse the camera footage because the light was failing at this point, but I always like to get a last glimpse in the evening before we go home of the beautiful beach, because probably be another year before we get back there at least. And yeah, it's just a beautiful evening at the beach. And just listen to the sounds of those beautiful waves, guys. It's just so relaxing. So Rio, how has your holiday been? Tell the people. Tell everyone. How have you been feeling? She's really gone through it this holiday, bless her, haven't ya? Are you tired, girl? Yeah. You haven't liked being in the living room on your own, have you? And you don't like your travel cage much, no. But she's survived it, Rio. Because what are you, Rio? You're a survivor. Where's she gone? Where's she gone, Rio? Oh. That's a bit of a close-up, that one. Here's Rio having a little grooming session on my pillow. Yes. Oh, no. I guess she doesn't want to talk, guys. Where you gone? Oh, you playing peekaboo. Peekaboo. I can see you. Where are you? Where you gone? Where you gone, Rio? 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 Where's Rio? Peekaboo, there she is. This is the inside of our lodge. It's pretty basic, to be honest. Got 2 sofas. That's the rubbish we're just clearing up now, ready to go. And there's a fridge freezer, sink, nice kitchen, a gas oven there, and then got 2 French window door thingies leading out onto the balcony, or the, you know, the decking area. And then you've got the TV up there on the wall, and a table to eat your food. Then we go into the bedrooms, and there's the bathroom. It's for a disabled person, so although that chair did get in the way quite a bit. Little sink. So this was my bedroom, which had a lovely double bed and loads of storage underneath the bed with drawers for your clothes. There was a little wardrobe as well. Bedroom 2 had 2 single beds as well as storage underneath the bed for your clothes, and the same for bedroom 3 also. There was a few little cupboards in bedroom 3, but they just kept the stuff in the drawers underneath the bed. In fact, we all did, really. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless you all.